Reach more followers and grow your flock by sending personalized text messages with helpful information, unique links, important reminders, and more using group messaging for churches with easy texting. 98% of text messages are read, compared to final read rates of 29% on Twitter, 21% on email, and 12% on Facebook. So it's no wonder many churches use text messaging to stay engaged with their congregants and promote upcoming events. Church text messaging empowers both smaller congregations and big churches to customize their outreach and engage audiences all at once, or respond to individuals using our two-way texting feature. How are churches using text messaging? The list is too long to mention. Religious bulletins, childcare alerts, event reminders, consolation services, and volunteer outreach are just a few examples. To better engage your audience, strengthen community, and mobilize congregants, turn to a text messaging platform for your church and start your 14-day free trial with Easy Texting.